Well, hello YouTube. Let's learn how to control our browsers using Webbrowser Python module. The thing is extremely simple and extremely useful if you are creating some kind of security related modules, you're doing some kind of automatization or something. Right. So if you hear huskies in the background, sorry about that, I can't do anything about that, they're just yelling all the day. Anyway, so let's go with Webbrowser module, import Webbrowser, and we need to define the target of the path basically to Google Chrome in this case. So I already have that, don't want to waste your time. I'm just gonna copy paste this here. And the important thing is just note that you must type %symbol and s, because if you don't do that with a space here, the thing will not work. Okay, so let's call Chrome. So web browser dot, and then what we are going to use, Chrome, and what we are going to do, we're gonna open new website, I mean URL. The target will be Google, and that's pretty much it. So let's save this script and let's run it, and there you go. Okay, so for example, let's open Bing after Google, and I'm gonna completely get out from browser. So one line after another, no time breaks, and as I said, Bing. Now the thing what's gonna happen here is first we're gonna have Google, and then when we exit our browser, immediately the Bing will start. So run module, and there you go, we have Google. Let's give it a little bit of time, nothing happens. When we get out, in a split of a second, the Bing will be in our browser. So you're probably wondering what's gonna happen if you already have existing browser opened. Well, let's actually do that. So save, I mean, I don't need to save it, but yeah. So run module, and there you go, you have both of these guys immediately, or a couple of them. It depends what you're doing, what kind of testing you're doing, development and stuff. So when you have this case, it is a smart idea to not put a lot of pressure on your system or on your network. It depends what kind of security measures you have, I mean your ISP, so they can block you if you do hundreds of these kind of automated requests. So be careful, don't do stupid stuff out on other people's network. So here we're gonna use time module to implement a little bit of time dot sleep. So basically this is pause for, let's say, 3 seconds. Okay, so run, and we have this thing opened. Let me close this one. So this is like default situation. So run module, and there you go, we have a Google, and in 2 seconds or something, there you go, a new URL. So what's gonna happen if you get out from these tabs? Well, the same thing like at the start of the tutorial. First one and then another URL. Run module, but after Google nothing will happen here as long as this major browser is opened. But the moment when you close it, after 3 seconds, we will have Bing. 2, 3, come on, there you go. Okay, so very simple stuff. There is a couple of things from documentation. Okay, so let's actually open it through here. There is a couple of things in documentation you need to pay attention to. Let me just find that thing. Web browser module, and you can use open new tab for new tab. With to get your doing control on specific browser, and then down there you have a list of supported type names for specific browsers. Nothing really special here. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Very short tutorial, experiment a little bit, but please note, do not create a lot of requests, because you can be, I don't know, banned on network or something like that. So 1 or 2 browsers tabs are okay automatically, but hundreds of them, that's not a good idea. Anyway, thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.